Hi guys, Trans Am times 2 here. Today I have a little honey-do list project. The 05 Expedition, one of the rear AC, either the blend door or the whatever the other door is for the AC is bad in the rear AC. So you know this because you start it up, and turn on the rear AC. Turn on the rear AC. You get a clicking sound from the right rear. Just turn it off for now. But there's two regulators back there. The first one, the blend door, changes the temperature. It blends, AC versus, non-air conditioned air. And the second one changes whether it comes out of the roof vents or the floor vents and stuff like that. So before I order a new one, I have to figure out which one it is. And the easiest way I know to do that is to open up the panel to get to them, unplug one of them, turn the AC on. If it clicks, plug it back in, unplug the other one, and if whatever one makes it stop clicking, that's the one that's bad. So what I'll do is first thing I need to do is pop up this tray. So we've got two actuators. We've got this one up here, and we've got this one down here. What I'll probably do is pull off the, I guess you call them C pillar and D pillar, the back two pillars here, so I can pull this panel out further. This comes straight up. I'm going to try popping up the cup holder and see if I can get this one. As you can see, it just pushes in, clips there, so if you can get the tool underneath it and just gently pry up and walk it around, you should be able to get it done. Alright, this actuator plugs in on the back side, of course. And from here, I don't know with my big hands I'm going to be able to unplug it. Yes, I can. I'll show you the plug. So this is the plug. This is the way it was plugged in, so it's got a tab on the bottom. So if you push up on that tab, you'll be able to pull it out. Off the top of my head, I don't know which one's the blend door and which one's the mode door. So I'll probably just pull the part number and make sure I get the right one. Leave the camera right there while I turn it back on. Okay. The AC is on. Okay, so the AC was on and it wasn't clicking. So it is this top one, which looks like it's the easier of the two to get to. I just might leave the pillars attached and see if I can get a ratchet in there and undo those bolts without pulling the panel, because I have to pull the seat belt brackets, I believe, as well to get those pillars off. And there we go. Interestingly enough, looks like there was originally 4 screws in this, and this one only had 3. Nope, I'm sorry, there's no spot on the housing to take the 4th screw. It is just 3. It's probably just a generic actuator. But there's the part number on mine, and I'll go on Amazon, order a new one, and hopefully in a few days. Hi everyone. Okay, we're back. We've got the new part, and while the part numbers on it don't seem to match at all, this is my old one. This is the new part that just came in. It cross-referenced this one, so this should be the one to get. Of course, when you pull it out of the package, and the numbers match. So, and if you look at the actual shaft of the actuator, it is keyed to go a certain way, and there's the slot that it goes into in there. So, depending on the orientation, I might have to try to rotate one or the other. Easiest way is probably to get the shaft started and then rotate it in position. And there it goes. It wasn't too bad. And I'll make sure I can plug it in before I start the screws, just in case that's a problem with my big hands. And of course it is. So I'm going to rotate it a little bit, grab the cable and plug it in. As you can see with it turned. And it's snapped in. Now I'll just rotate it back into spot. Start the screws. All right, let's see what happens. actuator seems to work. So, all in all, relatively simple. But that's the rear blend door and temperature mode door, or mode door and temperature blend door. Have a good one. I hope you guys manage to make it work.